Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Desiree. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I do a lot of gig work. I am doing Instacart and DoorDash, but I signed up for one more. So let's just open this box and see what's in here. I'm really excited. I signed up about a month ago. It took a couple weeks, but it's finally here. So let's just see what's in here. All right. So first things first. Welcome to Grub. I guess. So what's in this box? Okay. Says here's your new card, which the card fell out. I'm not going to show that, but I got my card for orders, which you need, I guess, to start doing orders for DoorDash. It was a bit more immediate. Like you sign up, you pass the background check, they approve you, and you can pretty much just start dashing without your card or the bag or anything. But with Grubhub, as of right now anyways, as of, July 2020, they're making you wait for your card, which took me about a week after they said that I was approved. And it took a few weeks after signing up for like the background check, which came through really quick, but I don't know if there was a waiting list or what. But I don't know. I got approved, so I'm just really excited. Says, this is a card that says here are some PPE. That's kind of cool that it just came with it. Like, here's a couple masks, which are, if you received the mask through Instacart recently, I believe these are the same, which I actually kind of like these. I know that in the beginning they were pretty like cheapy, but I do like these, and they have the adjustment things. There's 2 of those. That's nice. A bottle of hand sanitizer, unscented, 63%. I don't know, that sounds kind of low, but hand sanitizer, pretty good size bottle. Says be right back. Oh, it's like a sign for if you park your car, which in my area I usually can find parking, but I guess in like bigger cities where you have to like street park and stuff, that's nice to have. I mean, it's just a piece of paper, it's not laminated, but I mean, it's like thick, so that's cool. The most exciting thing, I'm gonna open it. See, I'm literally just opening it right now. I'm just really excited. It's just kind of dorky, but okay, so it's just, oh no, there's 2 bags. So this is the smaller bag. It's really nice. It's really thick, pretty durable. It's a lot better than like the DoorDash one that you get, because those are like pretty thin and flimsy and really not big enough to hold any like takeout bags you get. But yeah, good size bag. And then this is a really big, I'm gonna guess it's like, oh no, there are straps. So it's not as big as like my catering bag that I have bought on Amazon, but it's pretty big. And I guess if you laid it down, it's like you can hold, I guess, a large pizza in there. So yeah, there's the Grubhub bag. So yep, I'm really excited. I am currently trying to figure out how to record using the equipment I have, but yeah, I'm just really excited to start doing some Grubhub here. I am enjoying DoorDash. It's not perfect. I don't expect Grubhub to be perfect, but I've heard a lot of good things, so I'm really excited, and I'll probably try to do a video or a review in the next few weeks. Hope everyone's having a great day. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, this is me. I'm a mess, and yeah, I get excited over weird things. If you're a subscriber and if you do want to see videos doing like food delivery like Grubhub and DoorDash, please let me know below. Hope everyone has a great day.